Yeah, I'm Fazil Khan from Aero 3A. Today I'm going to speak on rocket and missiles. In this, I'm going with in this I'm going with the topic of classification of solid rocket motor based on propellant. So let's go with introduction part. So a solid propellant rocket or solid rocket is a rocket with a rocket engine that uses solid propellant, fuel or oxidizer. In solid engine, they use fuel and oxidizer which works as the propellant. So the earliest rockets were a solid fuel rocket powered by gunpowder. They were used in warfare by the Chinese, Indians, Mongols and Persians as early as the 13th century. All rockets used some form of solid or powered propellant up until the 20th century, when liquid propellant rockets offered more efficient and controllable alternatives. So, solid rockets are still used today in military armaments, worldwide model rockets, solid rocket booster, and on large applications for their simplicity and reliability. Since solid fuel rockets can remain in storage for a long time without much propellant degradation, and because they almost always launch reliably, they have been frequently used in military applications such as missiles. So, solid rocket engines uses fuel and oxidizer as a propellant, and these are used in earliest in 13th century, used by Chinese, Indians, Mongols, and Persians. And all rockets used some form of solid or powered propellant until the 20th century. Here you can see the example of this. The space shuttle was launched with the help of two solid fuel booster known as SRBS. Propellant families: black powder propellant, gunpowder, zinc sulfur propellant, candy propellant, double base propellants, composite propellants, high energy composite propellants, composite modified double base propellants, minimum signature smokeless propellants, electric solid propellants. So, black powder propellant. Black powder is composed of charcoal as fuel, potassium nitrate as oxidizer, and sulfur as fuel and catalyst. It is one of the oldest pyrotechnic compositions with application to rocketry. In modern times, black powder finds use in low power model rockets such as East and Quest rockets, as it is cheap and fairly easy to produce. The fuel grain is typically a mixture of pressed fine powder into a solid hard slug with a burn rate that is highly dependent upon exact composition and operating conditions. The performance or specific impulse of black powder is low, around 80 seconds. The grain is sensitive to fracture and therefore catastrophic failure. Black powder does not typically find use in motors above 40 newtons, 9 pounds force. Zinc sulfur. Uh, Composed of powder, zinc metal, and powered sulfur as oxidizer. Zinc sulfur or micrograin. Zinc sulfur, it is also known as micrograin, is another pressed propellant that does not find any practical application outside specialized amateur rocketry circles due to its poor performance, as most zinc sulfur burns outside the combustion chamber and fast linear burn rates on the order of 2 meter per second. Zinc sulfur is most often employed as a novelty propellant as the rocket accelerates extremely quickly, leaving a spectacular large orange fireball behind it. Candy propellant. So, candy propellants generate a low medium in specific impulse of roughly 130 seconds, and those are used primarily by amateur and experimental rocketers. Double base propellants. DB propellants are composed of two monopropellant fuel components, where one typically acts as high energy monopropellant and the other acts as lower energy stabilizing monopropellant. So double base propellants are of two monopropellant fuel components which one typically acts as high energy and the other one acts as lower energy stabilizing. In typical circumstances, nitroglycerin is dissolved in nitrocellulose gel and solidified with additives. The addition of metal fuels can increase the performance around 250 seconds, though metal oxide nucleation in the exhaust can turn the smoke opaque. High energy composite propellants. Typical HEC propellants start with a standard composite propellant mixture such as and add a high energy explosive to the mix. This extra component usually in the form of small crystals of RDX or HMX, both of which have higher energy than ammonium perchlorate. Despite a modest increase in specific impulse, implementation is limited due to the increased hazards of the high explosive additives. Electric solid propellants. Electric solid propellants are a family of high performance plastisol solid propellant that can be ignited and throttled by the application of electric current. Minimum signature propellants. It is one of the most active areas of solid propellant research for development of high energy minimum signature propellant using C6H6N6 formula nitroamine and which has 14% higher energy per mass and 20% higher energy density than HMX. So the new propellant has been successfully developed and tested in tactile rocket motors. The propellant is non-polluting, acid-free, solid particulate-free and lead-free. Composite modified double base propellants. So composite modified double base propellant starts with a nitrocellulose nitroglycerin double base propellant as a binder and adds solids normally used in composite propellants. Composite propellants is a powdered oxidizer and powdered metal fuel which are intimately mixed and embolized with a rubber binder. Are often either ammonium nitrate based or ammonium perchlorate based. Thank you.